Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, CRO is down, VVS is down. So what to do? What to do? Well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going back over to VVS Finance, and I know I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I am. I'm gonna do this. All right, you can see I'm down close to 40%. Not good. I've been dollar cost averaging back in. I've been dollar cost averaging in, and see how this goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some CRO. Well, I only have 16 left. Hold on. I guess I'd go bridge some more. Hold on. So I got to bridge some over on Chronos. I thought I had more over here, but doesn't look that way. 250 CRO. Alright, I guess I'll do it. Alright, so I have more CRO that I need to put over through the bridge. So I'm still waiting for my main claim here to be unstaked. If we go over here, you can see CRO is just tanking like crazy. Alright, if I view on bonding details, I still have 10 days left. So it all started when AB CRO was in jail, and I was like, I'm not getting any interest. It was there for a couple days, and I was like, I'm just gonna unbond, and I'm gonna move it over. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I'm still waiting on that to happen, and it looks like my CRO should be over there. So let's go back over trade, and my balance is loading, so okay, great. So I do 25%, let's do 50%. I'm going a little heavier, because VVS is down quite a bit from where it was before. So I'm going to swap this over. Alright, you can see I'm getting some more VVS. Pretty good deal. Alright, gotta wait for the confirmation. It's going to cost 0.86 whatever CRO. Great. Alright. Now let's go over to the mines. Oh, it transacted. That's good. Alright, let's go over to the mine and see how we're doing. We have 600% interest. Not as good as the 3,000 I started with, but you ain't going to find 600% anywhere. So, still a good deal. And we have 198% in the manual. Well, what do you guys think I should do? Should I mine or farm? Now, I've wanted to do farming. See, I have some here already, and I do need to do a harvest. So let's do that while I'm here. I'll harvest this amount of that to host the CRO. Seems like everything you do on this network here costs CRO. And it's never just one. It's either, well, it's like 0.8 to do stuff, or 1 CRO, or 1.9. So, yeah. Okay, so I got VVS in my wallet. Great. Now, okay, VVS USDC, that's still paying decent, but if I move stuff into USDC, it's going to cost. Are they going to charge me to go into USDC? I don't even know. I know the fees can be kind of high. So, I'm not going to do anything for right now. What I'm going to do is go back to the mine. I'm just going to mine. Alright? I'm going to increase my claim here. You can see I haven't done anything since 12/12. So it looks like there's no unstaking fee. I'm just going to bump this up. I'm going to do 50%, which is a pretty good amount. Alright? You can see I'm $82, and my ROI is $500 for the year. That's pretty darn good. There's no other place you can do that. So let's just here should go 75%. No, I'm gonna go 80%. Nope, 75%. Alright, confirm. I just want to keep some VVS in my wallet. It's gonna cost 1.9 CRO. Oh jeez. So that's about $1. It costs about $1, which isn't bad, I guess, for taking $82 and turn it into $500. That's a pretty good deal. All right. I guess I can live with that. Tell me what you guys think. VVS is definitely an inflationary token. They're putting so many more in, and that's why it's so much cheaper right now. Hopefully they're going to come up with a good burning method, and we'll cross that bridge a little bit later. But be sure you guys subscribe to see how this all works out. But you can see I have 5 million coins staked now, 5.7, which is pretty significant in my little world of crypto investing. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. Let's go back to the dashboard. You can see I now have $549 here. And I think I have close to $700 invested total. I have to do the calculation and see how that works out. But anyway, dollar cost averaging in to VVS as it goes down in value. Hopefully we're near the bottom, and it's going to start going back up. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.